We're going to Puerto Galera.
Welcome to Puerto Galera.
Hi.
Where are we going?
We're going to the boat. Yeah. To the boat.
Hi guys, I actually ordered Nutella latte and Spanish latte, the cold one, 16 ounces. And also this chocolate chip cookies worth 150 pesos only. And we are at Batangas Port. We're going to Puerto Galera. Woo!
Guys, sinantay namin yung boat namin, Super Cat. And 9:45 pa siya. 8:48 pa lang. So, meron pa kaming 1 hour na tumambay dito bago kami makapag-board ng boat. Natambay lang kami dito sa may subway. Kanina pa kami dito kasi maaga kami nakadating. Around 7:30-ish. So, bumili lang akong coffee sa Cafe Liberica. And nandito si Ishi.
Hi.
Update namin kayo mamaya pag nakasakay namin sa boat. At yung sasakyan namin bangka.
Go say that!
I don't know, girl. Hi guys, we're on our way to Puerto Galera. Mga seatmate ko. Si James. Super tagal ng biyahe. Parang naka 1 hour kami sa bangka. Hindi niyo masyadong kita pero ayun, nakasulat ang Port of Puerto Galera. Welcome to Puerto Galera. So guys, nakasakay na kami sa tuk-tuk. Medyo struggle lang, no? Kasi ang dami namin. Pero ang binayaran namin ay nasa... Struggle! Muntik pa kami mabangga. Charing. So guys, nakasakay namin sa tuk-tuk. Ang binayaran namin,
Very
4
smooth.
packs
Very smooth.
sa isang tuk-tuk. Tapos 160 na siya. Tapos yung drive namin is around parang less than 15 minutes lang. Diretso na siya dun sa hotel namin. Guys, dito kami nag-book sa White Beach Guest House Lodge. Pero yung check-in nila is 1 p.m. pa. At medyo maaga pa. Wala pang 12 ata. Iiwan muna namin yung mga bag namin dito para makapag-gala-gala kami sa beach.
So proper.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Wow! So, nandito na kami sa beach front. Kakain muna kami kasi medyo maaga pa. May isang oras pa kami bago mag-check-in. Mukhang dito kami kakain, guys. Sa Seaside Grill and Resto Bar.
Hi guys! So welcome to Puerto Galera. We are here with my family. Hi everyone, and there. We are waiting for our lunch. Right, Raya? What are you gonna say?
Yes.
Say hi everyone. Are you enjoying the sand?
Am I not allowed?
Pasit Canton, chop suey, sinigang, and this is charing. Let's eat!
This is Pugita. That is
Si Kuya Alin nagsabi na.
Oh my God!
Wow! Yes!
They say a chicken on fire. Oh, yeah. Me too, a bit.
Guys, it's like 3:26 and nawalan kami ng kuryente. Parang buong hotel ay nawalan ng kuryente. Well, etong hotel naman ito is parang medyo old na siya na hotel. Siguro around mga 4:30, ganyan, magsuswimming na kami sa beach.
Hi. I'm a son of the kid.
We're at the beach! Guys, what are you making?
Look, we're making a pool.
So hey guys, it's 10:54 in the morning and it's day 2 of Puerto Galera. It's 10 a.m. na. Kakain muna tayo and i-update ko na lang kayo once na nandun na kami sa restaurant. Bye-bye!
Rico, pre.
Guys, we're gonna buy coffee muna. Kasi I need coffee to function. We're gonna buy coffee here sa Cafe Marco. Guys, look, it's a Vespa. So pretty.
Beep, beep. Hi, I just stopped by saying, can you leave a comment? Thank you.
Guys, I got their Spanish latte.
You want another?
Guys, ang ganda ng coffee shop nila. Very vintage. Ginawa nilang mga interior, yung mga motorcycle. Ang unique, ang creative. What did you order?
Choco
Choco
banana.
Choco banana. Masarap.
Marami punta.
It reminds me of banana.
Masarap.
Ito.
Hey Hi guys, it's 1:58 p.m. and nakapag-breakfast na kami. Tapos ngayon ay balak namin mag-island hopping. So fit check muna tayo. Itong top ko ay yung suot ko lang kanina, pang cover up ko lang siya ngayon. And then yung bikini ko is from TikTok lang. Let's go island hopping!
Snorkeling po. Snorkeling po, may tatlong area po kayong pupuntahan. Coral Garden, Underwater Cave at Giant Club. Maximum 3 hours po siya. Sasakyan niyo po ay small boat na may capacity at pigla po tayo. Then, ang magiging guide niyo po dito, ma'am, sir, ayan yun yung boatman. Sila po yung mag-guide sa inyo.
Hi guys, so hindi na daw pwedeng mag-island hopping kasi may habagat daw. Actually, pwede naman. May dalawa lang na island na hindi mo mapupuntahan pag nag-island hopping ka. Kaya, nag-snorkeling activities na lang kami. Mapupuntahan namin yung underwater cave and yung coral reefs nila. At para mas maganda yung experience namin, nagrenta kami ng aqua shoes kasi mas maganda daw if naka-aqua shoes. Yes. 100 pesos kapag renta and pag bibili ka, 350. Guys, 3 hours yung snorkeling activities. Kaya siguraduhin nyo na meron kayong water, ganyan, para hindi kayo mauhaw. Yan, ito yung boat namin, guys. Kaya mag-hi kayo sa vlog ko.
Okay po. Hi po.
Si Kuya ang aming boatman. Guys, we're on the boat! Let's go!
Ano ba yung lyrics doon, ano? Nung How Far I'll Go? Hindi yung chorus ang umpisa. See the light when the sky meets the sea. He calls me. I love Philippines!
We're here! Guys, hindi na kami makakapunta ng underwater cave kasi malakas daw yung alon. Kaya dito na lang kami.
Wait.
Come out, look. Kami tatanggal ng... May mga nandito, Opron. Nagtatakot ka.
Punta na kami sa aming next destination.
Hindi, hawak ka dito na lupit. Lupit kayo lang, hindi natin naman na yan. Sige, sige lang.
Guys, nandito kami sa ano to? Little Boracay.
Yeah.
Little Boracay. Ito na yung third namin, destination.
Sura ko. Okay po ba?
Bababa pa sa kanila. Yung nag-enjoy ko naman si Tata. test! Parang gusto ko yan. Palit tayo. Akin na lang yan.
Mango sa'yo ah.
Kaya nga. Sige, palit ako man yata.
Sa'yo. Hindi naman lasa ang ano dyan eh.
Ito na! Natang ko tuloy.
Ayan, take ko.
Hindi, ito. Ito naman.
Ayan yung mango.
Kita-kita ko to sa camera.
Ang pagtatampo.
Hi guys! Here's Jollibee and Happy.
Oy, ano na? Ano yan?
This is yum. Natatanggal ang thread. Guys, I ordered yum po. Sinigang na baboy. Then, portang salad. What did you order?
Pork barbecue.
Pork barbecue. Is it good? Yeah, it's good.
This time it's actually good.
Ito ulit kami kumain sa terminal. Spicy pa lang. Girl.
Oh my goodness, I hope that they're gonna do.
Ang sinigang.
I don't eat half of them. I'm sorry. Hello, chat. Dude, this is suspicious sand from Minecraft. This sand is suspicious. Guys, I think that the sand is hiding something. And it's hiding something.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I get it now, I get it now. Dude, I think it's... Really hurts my feet. See you guys on the water. Love you guys for the views. You guys see me? I have some chocolate at home. This very valuable. Nope. Nope.
Hi guys, good morning. It's 10 a.m. Kaninang madaling araw, nag-swimming sila and ngayon magbe-breakfast na kami. Pagkatapos nito ay mag-ayos na kami ng mga gamit kasi mamaya mag-check out na kami at 11 p.m. Dito lang kami kakain malapit sa hotel namin. And I ordered tapsilog. Tapos may kasama na siyang hot choco. Kain tayo! Mommy! Chicken sisig. Ano to, girl?
It's gambas. Shrimp gambas.
There's a timer here.